since we've sort of settled into a lecture model template, I wanted to kind of walk you through it really quickly. So if I go from the home page here and I go to assignments, and if I have it shown by date, I've got the next lecture here, lecture 7. So if I look at this, now I've got a recommended time to do it. Of course, you can do it any time you want, but to sort of make everything flow smoothly, I've got a recommended sort of Monday through Friday schedule to do this. The other thing I've done is in each segment, each lecture, I've broken it down. So lecture 7 this week, I have enthalpy and chemical reactions. If I go up here, I've got entropy and free energy. And the last sort of topic in this set of lectures is kinetics. And then within each of those, I've got sort of a recommended tasks. Now, I highly recommend that you read before the lecture. And I wouldn't do it, I would do it in small segments, 15, 20 minutes at a time. Maybe you'd read section 7.1, then 7.2, 7.3. But do that before lecture. You won't understand it all. You may not understand very much of it at all, but that's okay. It sort of gives you a basis to be scratching your head, and then when you go on to the lecture. After every lecture, wherever possible, I tried to find some sort of supplemental video, especially if it had animations, because that really helps us to learn and remember. So that's kind of the cycle. Read the book, go through the lecture, use the supplements if you'd like. And then, of course, if we go back to assignments, you'll see the things that follow the lecture. So I have this show by date. So here was my lecture. And then the following week, Monday and Tuesday, when you would have normally had lab, there's the experiment. Now, Danielle, Mike, and Sarah will help you with that. And then following that, there are 2 assignments there in Mastering Chemistry, 7A and 7B. And that sort of sets up, that's sort of the weekly schedule. I think following that, I think we'll do well. I hope you're all doing well, and we'll continue on, such as it is. Bye now.